Let's talk buying a house. Mortgage rates are at their highest level since the housing bubble in the late 2000s, with an average rate, or rather early 2000s, with the average rate of a 30-year mortgage reaching more than 6%. According to the Harvard Joint Center for Housing, home prices have increased nearly 19% year over year across the U.S. So joining me now to discuss is host of Bravo's hit TV show Million Dollar Listing LA, the author of The Deal: Secrets for Mastering the Art of Negotiation, Josh Flagg, the man himself.
Hi.
Hi. You
How are
make
you?
even a white V-neck look stylish. Thank you for being here tonight.
Thank you.
So most of us do not have the millions and millions of dollars that your clients do, or sometimes billions. What can the average American do if they're looking to buy in this market? What's your advice?
Well, here's the thing. The market is starting to slow a little bit, so prices will come down. Unfortunately, interest rates are going up. So you have to figure, would you rather have a lower interest rate payment right now versus next year, which will be higher? Or would you rather be able to brag to your friends that you got a better deal on a house next year? My personal opinion is I'd rather have a lower interest rate, because if you're keeping the house for 10 plus years anyway, the house is going to be worth more regardless one day anyway. So it really makes no difference. So I would say, even though it's a little scary when you see on the news that, prices might be coming down, whatever, I would probably strike now, because next year the interest rate payments are going to be higher.
Interesting. Are there any markets that still are particularly hot right now, even with the high interest rates?
Yes. The thing is that things are kind of on a standstill right now. It's almost like people are not willing to pull the trigger. They're a little bit nervous because, as I said, you don't want to be the person that buys a house and then the market tanks the next day. Now, do I think that's going to happen? No. Do I think we're going to have another 2008? No. Do I think things are going to slow down? Yes. Is that necessarily a bad thing? No. Things have gotten so crazy that, they kind of need to mellow up for a little bit. So there will be an opportunity over the next few months, I think, where prices slow down a little bit, but interest rates, keep in mind, will continue to rise.
We know you are author of this new book on negotiation. With the time that we have left, can you give us one negotiating tip that has served you well in the past that we probably haven't heard before?
Sure. What I often do if I'm selling a house, I will talk to the homeowners, and what I will do is I will do an inspection on the house ahead of time. That way, by doing so, if I give the inspection report to a potential buyer for the house ahead of time, I can protect the seller and make sure that they don't have a problem where, once we get into escrow, that the buyer comes and renegotiates the deal, right? So as a seller, you don't want to go into escrow and then all of a sudden, the buyer comes along and says, I want XYZ off the purchase price. If you give them an inspection report ahead of time, they're not going to have much leverage because they knew ahead of time what the problem with the house is. Does that make sense?
It makes sense. And Josh Flagg, it's been a real pleasure. I've heard your voice for so many years now on Million Dollar Listing. It's just a real pleasure to get to meet you in person. And you should know our director, Nadine, huge fan of yours. She says hi.
I've had 3 nose jobs over the years, so I can't really fix that.
Josh Flagg, thank you. Thank you for your time. Have a good evening.
My pleasure. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.